Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fishing kayak that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Intex Explorer K2 Fishing Kayak. An inflatable fishing kayak kit might be the greatest thing that's happened to you since someone tied a piece of string to a pole. When you're back in your apartment, store the boat, paddles, and accessories in a closet or under the bed. When you're ready to fish, toss the carry bag into your car and head out to the water. This kit includes a pump, an inflatable boat, including 2 adjustable seats and an inflatable I-beam floor for added rigidity and stability, a removable skeg, and 2 86-inch breakdown paddles to get you out on the water in a flash. Moving on at number 4, we have the Intex Challenger K1 Fishing Kayak. The solo angler who aspires to paddle to better waters can get into the game for a fraction of the cost of a hard shell, sit on top kayak with this single paddler inflatable kayak. The Challenger K1 gives you the comfort of an adjustable inflatable kayak with the storage capacity of a sit-on-top kayak's stern-mounted cargo net. The closed deck design protects your lower legs and feet from the elements and gives you, even more, control and stability. The included paddle can break down to store more easily in the included carry bag, while the included high-output pump means to set up as a breeze. At number 3, we have the Intex Excursion Pro Fishing Kayak. The Intex Excursion Pro is made from tough 3-ply laminate PVC material that's both abrasion-resistant and able to withstand high-impact collisions, great for debris in the water or a speedy entrance onto the beach. This allows you to pump the boat to high-pressured inflation, which gives you more rigidity and translates into additional stability. Integrated fishing rod holders allow you to go hands-free when you need it most, while a removable bracket in the center of the watercraft gives you the ability to mount additional accessories, like a phone stand or GPS mount, or additional rod holders if you prefer. 2 floor-mounted footrests give you the traction and leverage necessary to fight the big one into your boat. At number 2, we have the Pelican Sentinel 100X Fishing Kayak. We can't find enough good things to say about the Pelican Sentinel 100X Fishing Kayak. This sit-on-top kayak gives you multiple options for rod storage, including alongside your craft and 2 spots behind you to free up your hands, compartments to keep your electronics out of water's way, removable keel storage for camping and food supplies, and cup holders to make sure your favorite beverage is always on hand. At 44 pounds, this isn't the lightest kayak in our lineup, but it's still easy enough to move around and load up by yourself. The stability of this kayak makes it a great choice for beginner and intermediate kayak fishermen alike. Although you do sacrifice a little short-term tracking and speed for comfort and stability, the flotation inside of the hull actually surpasses the ABYC standards, which help to keep you afloat no matter how much gear you stow away. And finally at number 1, we have the Oru Kayak Foldable Kayak Inlet. This folding kayak was comfortable enough to fit my 5 feet 8 inches self, and even my 6 feet 2 inches father. An adjustable backrest helps ensure maximum comfort and control for every height. There was plenty of storage space in front of me, as well as behind the seat. The tracking was straight and true, even when the wind picked up and my New Hampshire lake started to gain whitecaps, and easy enough to paddle, even with the lower seat. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.